Hello, I'm Ruth, and I'm speaking from my studio and my channel. My channel is now called Get Sewing and Quilting Done. I had a slight change in the name because I've evolved. I find myself sewing more and more clothes in addition to quilting. Of course, I'll still be a quilter. I have a lot of things going on. I'm kind of going back to my roots. I discovered that I love sewing originally by sewing clothes with my mother. I'm going to talk today about my Olfa mat that I just bought and where I'm actually opening it up. And we could take a good look at it. As I'm getting it out of the box, I want to explain to you a few things why I picked Olfa. Well, first off, I've worked with them quite a bit, so I've been very happy with their mats. But the big reason is this is a whopping 35 by 70 inch mat. The other mat that I was looking at was actually 30 by 60 inches. So this was a much bigger mat. The first thing I notice when I open it up is something that you're not going to feel at home or wherever you're watching this, that's the smell. I want to warn you, the smell is strong, but it's not permanent. Within a day, maximum 2 days, the smell goes away. It's not something you have to tolerate. It's not something you have to get used to. I don't want you to return it because of the smell. It goes away. Go into any sewing store and you will see that they're using mats and there's no smell coming off of them. All right, so it comes in 3 pieces, and that was also a big selling point for me. The competitor, if you did want to store it, even though most of the time it's going to be open and out on the table, if I did want to store it, I would have to roll it up. Where this, I could take it apart. Of course, I did have my concerns. Just like anything else that you buy or you choose, there's advantages and disadvantages, and of course our concerns. My big concern was with the clamps. I had many concerns, and one of them I was able to figure out before I even bought it. And that was, would the clamps bother me when I'm working? So this is how I solved it before I even bought the item. I put things on my table and weighted them down and worked around it to see if they would bother me, and they were bigger, so I saw that the clamps won't bother me at all. The other thing about the clamps is I wanted to make sure that they were easy to put on and off. And as you can see, it's very easy. You lighten the screws and then you put them together. So that was okay. Also, I wanted to make sure it was easy to do. I didn't want to go through a hassle every time I had to take it apart and put it together again if I moved, or if I wanted to take the table down. I was having guests over and I needed to repurpose the room. So that was really important. The other thing that was really important and got solved is matching up the lines. Now, I don't usually use the lines for measurements, but a lot of times I will use the lines for lining it up, especially when I'm going to fold on the bias. And it was really important to get these lines to meet up and that it was easy to do. And as you can see, that's working beautifully. It's easy to put the clamps on, easy to line up. My biggest concern I saved for last, and that's how well it cuts. So I know Olfa cuts well, but I was concerned in the mats and where they joined together. So I cut a 1-inch strip, because we all know those are the hardest to get right, and I wanted to make sure it did a good job. It exceeded my expectations. And now I have this beautiful space for working on, this beautiful board, and I'm so pleased. All right, so that's it. I'm very excited about having this cutting board, or this cutting mat, and please subscribe. I will have videos coming out more regularly. I know I'm redoing my channel. It's going to look great. I'm very excited about it. I'm very excited about I'm itching to get things done now on this mat. See you, bye.